Hello and welcome to the E36 front subframe installation video. We're going to go over what's included and then go over the install itself. You're going to have the tubular subframe itself. This eliminates any requirement to run a factory subframe with reinforcement plates. It's already very strong. You don't need to run any reinforcement plates with it, and there's no core charge. It's a brand new subframe. You don't have to send anything in to us. You just purchase it and install it. You can get the subframe itself. You can get 2 of these socket head bolts. You're gonna have 10 of these washers, and you're gonna have 2 of the nylon lock nuts. That pretty much covers everything that's gonna be included. We're gonna go over and head to the car to get this installed. So we already got the subframe installed because it is kind of a 2-man job and I had to borrow the cameraman in order to do this, but you're gonna go ahead and torque the bolts to the factory subframe, now to the Apex subframe, to the factory torque specs. You're gonna go ahead and torque our socket head bolts for the steering rack from 20 to 30 foot-pounds. And that is the only parts and bolts that would have to get torqued on the subframe. Here you can see that we have it in the middle hole. We have the ability to move it 1 forward or 1 backwards. And then we went ahead and installed the motor mounts as well. And the motor mounts you would just torque to the factory motor mount spec as well. That pretty much concludes the subframe installation. If you have any other questions, be sure to call or email.